Esta conferencia comenzará a grabarse.
Okay, guys, good afternoon. Let's start today's session. On Friday, we were building this IVR. I prepared some audios to finish our IVR, okay? So I have here 5 MP3s, okay? I just wanted to practice because remember that for telephony, we always need audios to have WAV, 8,000 kilohertz, 16 bits, mono, and I wanted to practice how, for example, I transform these audios. I use this program, Audacity. So for example, I'm going to take one of the audios, okay?
Please enter your ticket number if you have one. Otherwise, please wait in line for one of our agents.
Okay, so I'm going to transform this to 8,000, 16, okay? And since I changed the frequency, this is going to pass to something like this. I need to speed up the velocity. Let's see.
Please enter your ticket number if
Too much.
Please enter your ticket.
Too little. Let's see, 200.
Please enter your ticket number if you have one. Otherwise, please wait in line for one of our agents.
Looks good. Okay, so I'm going to export this to WAV. Okay, let's change the name. Okay, and let's do the same for each one. I'll be doing the exact same thing. I'm going to change this. Going to change this. Going to change this.
Thank you for calling inConcert.
I'm going to call this Thank you. Exit.
Please select a valid response. Please select a valid response. Thank you for calling inConcert. Thank you for calling. We'll be back in the office to help you during our business hours, Monday through Friday, from 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. Goodbye.
Okay, we have one missing.
Thank you for calling inConcert. For administration.
Yes, it's this one. We'll call this greeting. Okay, now I do have my files. Okay, so let's complete the IVR that we were doing. And let's add all the things that it's missing. Mhm. Okay. Okay, so I have 5 audios. I have the greeting, the error, the thank you for calling. I added, please type a ticket number or if you have one, and the after hours. Okay, so let's update here. I'm going to delete this. Yes, and I want to add a component, a file. Here, my greeting. Confirm. Okay. Here is my after hours. Yes. Okay. I added this error, this thank you, and this ticket number. Why? Because we have some things that we haven't done. For example, I here have my menu. I have two options, option 1 and option 2, and I'm doing this here. But what happens if I don't click anything? I haven't drawn the line to do nothing, right? I put here if this equals inConcert and if this equals support. But what happens if I don't do nothing? Okay, and we configure an error message. Okay, so file. I want to put here the error. Okay, and I want to repeat this 3 times. Yes, great. And what happens if I don't do anything? Okay, so let's see what happens if I don't click anything.
Thank you for calling inConcert. For administration and sales, press 1. If you are having issues with your platform, press 2.
Timeout
Please
6.
select a valid response.
Mhm.
Thank you for calling inConcert. For administration and sales, press 1. If you are having issues with your platform, press 2. Please select a valid response. Thank you for calling
This is the
inConcert.
third.
For administration and sales, press 1. If you are having issues with your platform, press 2.
Timeout.
Please select a valid response.
And that's it. Okay. What happened here? Let's see. Okay, I have this. That's it. It went through here, and that's it. It did nothing else. Okay. So let's try to do something. I can put another condition here, okay, and try to detect that, okay, or I can do something. For example, if my flow goes through here and he has nothing else to do, I can put one new state here. What happens if I put a new state here? What transitions do I have? Let's see. I have answered, channel closed, new incoming, and no event. Okay, so maybe I can put a no event and do something here as a default, but I can also draw it here. Okay, for example, here I have a timeout. Okay, so I can draw something like, and I have an audio for that. I want to close the interaction. Okay, so I can send a message here. Configuration, nothing. And then close conversation. Or I can send it right here. I can do the same. I don't need to draw another close conversation. If I have one, I can just connect this to this, right? I can do this. Right? Okay, great. And I can do something like, I think is vmenu dot event equals time out. Do I have something here? Nothing. Let's put it here. Let's go.
Thank you for calling inConcert. For administration and sales, press 1. If you are having issues with your platform, press 2.
Okay, I'm here.
Please select a valid response. Thank you for calling inConcert. For administration and sales, press 1. If you are having issues with your platform, press 2. Please select a valid response. Thank you for calling inConcert. For administration and sales, press 1. If you are having issues with your platform, press 2. Please select a valid response.
Okay, let's see. He didn't play, right? Yeah, it's just going until here. Okay, what happens if I put it in another? I think this has to go here. Let's try, because I think with the timeout it doesn't go through here.
Thank you for calling inConcert. For administration and sales, press 1. If you are having issues with your platform, press 2. Please select a valid response. Thank you for calling inConcert. For administration and sales, press 1. If you are having issues with your platform, press 2. Please select a valid response. Thank you for calling inConcert. For administration and sales, press 1. If you are having issues with your platform, press 2. Please select a valid response.
Yeah,
The timeout configured here is second or number of trials.
the number of tries. It's both. It's the mix between the number of tries and seconds. Seconds is how many seconds I have after he plays the audio to enter the digit.
Okay.
No, what I had missing is this dot event, and I need to put here v menu dot event dot name different than timeout. This is it. I had missing the dot event. Okay, let's see.
Thank you for calling inConcert. For administration and sales, press 1. If you are having issues with your platform, press 2.
I will put here time.
Please select a valid response. Thank you for calling inConcert. For administration and sales, press 1. If you are having issues with your platform, press 2. Please select a valid response. Thank you for calling inConcert. For administration and sales, press 1. If you are having issues with your platform, press 2. Please select a valid response. Thank you for calling inConcert.
Okay. I had missing the dot name. Okay, so if I put one condition here, I need to put other condition here. So I just put the inverse. This is equals and this is different. Okay. Okay, great. I put this audio to see the send and wait activity.
Please enter your ticket number if you have one. Otherwise, please wait in line for one of our agents.
Okay, that's great. That's great. So I will put a send and wait reply. What's the difference between the send message and send message at reply is that I am expecting my client to put a number. Okay. So file. Okay. I want to upload a file. Ticket number. Okay. Great. What's my configuration? What's the number of retries? just one, because my audio it's saying if you have your ticket number, please dial. If and if you don't, just wait in line. So I just need to put here 1. Okay. What's times seconds? I will put 6. Okay. What's the number of my tickets?
The timeout 6 seconds between each digit.
No, this is for the total.
Right, yes.
Okay. I will put 6. Okay. And the result will be here ticket. Okay. I have an error message? No. Okay. Where is it? Here. I'm a little bit close. Okay. Here I also have a validation. Okay. For example, I want 6 digits, but my first digit to be something. Okay. Okay. So I'm putting here. Okay, I'm going to put here admin support. Okay, let's put a logger just to see what's he doing. Okay, B ticket. Okay. Okay. Let's see.
Thank you for calling inConcert. For administration and sales, press 1. If you are having issues, please enter your ticket number if you have one. Otherwise, please wait in line for one of our agents.
Let's see what happens if I put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, I went to the campaign, right? I'm going to hang up. I want to see what happened here. Do you see here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's great. Let's see what happens if I put.
Thank you for calling inConcert. For administration, please enter your ticket number if you have one.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's hang up. Do you see it here? And I want to do one more test.
Thank you for calling inConcert. For administration
No,
and
2 more
sales,
tests.
press 1.
2.
Please enter your ticket number if you have one. Otherwise, please wait in line for one of our agents.
I will put 1. Okay. Why is taking so long? Because I have the timeout. I am waiting here 6 seconds to see if he puts a ticket. Okay. So let's see. 1. And what happens if I don't
Thank you for
put
calling
anything?
inConcert. For administration, please enter your ticket number if you have one. Otherwise, please wait in line for one of our agents.
Okay, I don't have a ticket number. Okay. Great. Okay, what's the... Okay, do you see here? This is taking me to event name timeout. Okay, this is the same thing I ask here. Okay. Okay, but if I do have the ticket, I have it here on the event message text. Okay, great. Okay, so let's review two more things. Okay. The first one is how can I save my info? I want to save the trace of my IVR to maybe do a report later. Okay. Remember, I have two options. Okay, I can use the SQL activity to send it to SQL. Okay, we will be doing one test right now, but I can also use the manage process data to send this, for example, to Cassandra. Okay, and this process data, I will also use it for maybe sending the VTIC to the agent. Okay, let's connect the agent. Okay, I'm going to connect it with training. Okay. Okay, great. Let's dial.
Thank you for calling inConcert. For administration and sales, press 1. If you are having issues with your platform, press 2. Please enter your ticket number if you have one.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. I haven't. Well, I wanted to show you. Here you don't see nothing. Okay. I don't have no data available. Okay. But if I do this, for example, I want to use this and I want to set ticket to the agent B ticket B ticket ticket. Okay, what will happen if I do this? Okay, now I have the microphone available.
Thank you for calling inConcert. For administration and sales, please enter your ticket number.
I don't have it right here. I am missing something. I need to create a here. I need to create my fields. On the report designer, I need to create my custom fields. Okay. Process flow. I want to create a group here, IVR. Ticket. Okay. Oh, great. Yes. Support ticket. I want to also create a creating menu. I think that's it. We are going to store this menu, and I think that's it. And what he puts here. Yeah, I need to change this. Support ticket IVR. This is a reporting group I just created. Okay. Okay. Let's see.
Thank you for calling inConcert. For administration and sales, please enter your ticket number if you.
I don't see it yet. Let me see. Oh, I am missing here event that message that text. Okay. I think we got it now. Let's see. Oh, I missed the trace because I saved the process.
Thank you for calling inConcert. For administration,
Two,
please enter your ticket number.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Not yet.
Not yet.
Oops. Let's see my trace. Mm-hmm. Well, let's see the report. Let me put the exact same thing here. Interaction report IVR greeting menu b menu that event that message that text. Let's put it. I'll put it right here. You can select everything and move it. Okay? No problem. Okay. Great. And let's create my report here. I have my custom fields, right? And I can here create a new report. IVR report. This is a detail for conversation. Front end integration, no. Web call, web chat, no. The only one is iProcess flow. When I select this what it does. Only no. Oh, he doesn't want a space there. He will create the projected fields. When I do this, he's going to read what I have on my IVR and put those columns. Filters is where I'm going to select the filters that I want. O is optional, R is required. So for example, if I want by campaign, or I want by campaign and initiative, I just want this. Okay, here I'm going to have my fields. Do you see it here? Greeting and support. Okay, next. Confirm. Let's see if I have something here. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, great. Let's see right now.
Thank you for calling inConcert. For administration and sales, press 1. If you are, please enter your ticket number if you have one.
Okay, I have here on greeting menu, support ticket 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what I want is that ticket number to go to the agent. Because when I'm saying this, go to the report and go to the agent, it's supposed to go also to the agent. Maybe I'm missing something. Let me see. Give me 1 minute.
Take your time.
I'm going to try something else. Ticket. No.
Thank you for calling inConcert. For administration and sales, press 1. If you are having issues with your platform, press 2. Please select a valid response. Thank you. Please enter your ticket.
I don't even know if I put the ticket number. See? Yes, I did. Let's see. Custom fields. Greeting menu, yes, yes, yes. Support ticket. Yes, this is working because I have here the information, right? So my only issue is why it's not showing on the agent. Maybe I have missing this. One more test, and if I don't get it, I will review why it's not
Thank you for
working,
calling
and then we
inConcert.
can see it.
For administration and sales, please enter your ticket number if you have one.
No, no. Well, just leave it. Let's leave it there, and I will see why it's not working, okay? But it's supposed to be sending this info to the agent if I click here, agent, okay? Okay, that's how we send the info to Cassandra, okay? I can now build a report with this information, okay? But I can also add more columns if I want to. Here on my custom report, I can still put on the projected fields all of this, okay? For example, if you want the IVR time, or you want the campaign, and or you want the address, okay? You can have more info. This is my number, the campaign, start date, end date, my IVR time, and what I chose to insert, okay? But we can also send information to SQL, okay? So for example, you will need to use the SQL data source, okay? So what's my data source? I think we here, yes, we put this, okay? So let's connect to this SQL. In the meantime, let me see something. I don't remember that we had to do something else for that to work. Okay, I will open my SQL. Okay. Okay, so for example, if I have my SQL here, okay, I can click here on dev. Okay, let's create. Okay, let's create this. Let's put here, for example, the same greeting menu, greeting menu, and here support ticket bar chart. Okay, let's for example put here ID. Okay. Okay, that's great. So for example, if I want to Okay, I have here my interaction, right? Here I'm going to select on SQL. Remember, I have to have the data source available, okay? Oop, I click yes, right? Okay, okay, okay. So I can here execute a store procedure, or I can directly do the insert to my database. So you can do whatever you want here, okay? For example, I can put here the insert clause, right? For example, I have my interaction here. I need the exact same. Local interaction ID equals interaction.id. Yes. Okay, so if I do this, I will put here insert into IVR report ID. It's ID, right? Yes, ID values, for example. I don't have. Yes. Interaction ID. Okay. Why I only inserting the ID? Because then I want to insert the greeting. But if they didn't put anything, I'm not going forward, right? So I want to go first here and then here. Okay. And then I want to do an update for the greeting menu. I can do the exact same thing. Update IVR report set greeting menu equals yes. vMenu dot event dot message dot text where ID equals Interaction ID. Okay, and I want to do the same for the ticket. Let's copy this. But for support ticket v menu, no, v ticket. I think it's v ticket. Yes. Okay, so let's try. Let's see if we do this right. I'm going to save. Okay, great. So immediately when I dial, I need to see something here, right? Let's see.
Thank you for calling inConcert. For administration and sales, press 1. If you are having issues with your platform, please enter your ticket number if you have one. Otherwise, please wait in line for one of our agents.
Yes. But he didn't put the interaction ID. Let's see. Interaction ID. Interaction ID. Maybe I did something wrong. Let's see. Here I have my ID. Why did I put here interaction dot ID? I want to take this. Copy element. Last. Okay. Okay, so I have here the JSON. Let's see. JSON viewer. Maybe I'm accessing the JSON wrong. Okay. I have it here. Yeah, obviously I'm doing something wrong because I don't see ID right away here. I have it inside somewhere. No. I have it here. Here. ID. So I am doing something wrong. Let's see. Interaction dot ID. Let's log this interaction ID. Okay. I am. Okay, let's see. Let's delete what we have here. Delete from. Okay, great. Okay, let's see.
Thank you for calling in
Yeah,
concert.
that's it. That's all I need. I have an error here. Error processing brackets. Oh no, this is an error later. Okay, so here I have, yes, I do have here. Okay, I think it's because I haven't done this. Let's see.
Thank you for calling in concert.
Oh yeah, I missed the. I missed. Yes, yes. Here I have. Okay, I'm returning the variable. Yes, interaction ID, but I think here I need to put message test. Remember, if we're not sure what this was the structure of the variable, we can always put the logger. That will help you a lot with your debugging. And I think it's good to have this kind of issues in our training because you can see how to debug, right? I will send it to the SQL. Okay, save. I'm going to delete here once again, and let's see. I think is also message text, but let's see. Let's see. Status true. Let's do more debugging here. We can also do something else because I do see the interaction here. Well, I'm doing something different. Let me create because I think here we need a variable, like a global variable, to set a global variable with this, and then access that from the other activities. Let's put the create variables. Okay, I will here say my interaction. This will be an object. I want to have the interaction ID. My interaction. Okay. This will be a global variable. Okay. So if I do this, I can here put my interaction ID equals, yeah, because this is local and I don't have to return anything. And here I can see my interaction ID. And here I can put my interaction ID. Let's put it like this, because I think this is a local variable, and that's why it's not working. Okay, let's see.
Thank you for calling inConcert. For administration and sales, press 1. If you are having issues with your platform, press 2. Please select a valid response. Thank you for calling inConcert. For administration, please enter your ticket number if you have one.
Okay, so I have the code here. And my info here. Okay, my ID, my greeting, and my support ticket. So what was happening, if I declare a variable here, a local variable, it doesn't exist once I'm out of this code block. What I did is create a global variable here called my interaction. This is an object, interaction ID. It first is empty. Here, I'm setting up that information for me to access this in another activity. Okay, I logged here the information, and here I set the insert with this and the where's with that. Okay, questions? I think nothing. Okay, so we review the send message and wait, the Cassandra report. Here I now have this, and how to send info to SQL. Okay, If you want to select from the database, you just need to modify this. You can here put select, update, whatever you want, okay? Obviously, if you are selecting, you need to have that on your variable, okay? Okay, great. So I think our IVR it's okay. What do you think? Do you want to add something else to this IVR? I think we're good. Okay. So what would happen now? I would like us to start the same, a flow, but for chat. Why? Because obviously on chat we don't have the exact same events. Or for example, on a chat I don't have a menu. Okay, you will see that you have something else. Okay, do you want to add more something else to our IVR, or we are good to go to the chatbot? Well, I think that's web chat, web bot example. Okay. Okay. Yes.
Regarding the IVR, can we add an option if the expected wait time of the call above a certain time to route another campaign or another extension, or make another, or make or send the option to the client to enter like his number and call back?
Do you mean before sending the interaction to the campaign?
Sorry?
Do you mean before sending the interaction to the campaign? I think that's a feature. What you are asking is a feature for the campaign. I think it's not on the IVR.
It's a feature in the campaign. Yes.
Yeah, but you don't do it here. You can do it, for example, here.
It's
For
doable
example,
in the campaign. Yeah.
for example, I think you can achieve that with this. On channels, you have here enable ACD wait threshold. If you click this and you put here this, you're saying if I reach this on the ACD, just finalize the conversation. But you can also put here transfer to another campaign.
Okay.
I think you can do what you are asking here, not on the IVR, right?
Okay. Right. Thank you.
Okay. Web bot example. Web bot example. Okay. So obviously we talked last week about the difference between, for example, a web chat bot and a WhatsApp bot. Because maybe on WhatsApp you only have available buttons with HSMs, and you cannot do, for example, a gallery within WhatsApp. And in web chat you can put buttons also. Those are as you wish. And we have slight differences between the flows. So a very common question is that, for example, if I have a bot already on web chat, for example, how can I transfer that to a bot for the same flow to WhatsApp? Well, if we have our bot already on web chat, we can export and import the JSON, changing the buttons, for example, for text. Okay, so we just need to do some modifications, and that's it. I want to start setting up a web chat bot. Okay. Okay. Remember always to have your first state web bot one. What's always the first event? Always. New incoming. If you put here new chat message, you're going to have an error. Okay. New incoming. Okay. Let's start doing the exact same thing that we did on the last. Let's start. Do you see that we have less here? We don't have much. So for example, let's declare my interaction. Oops. My interaction, it will be an object, interaction ID. It's going to start empty. Okay. I don't remember this, but I can put it here. I can just copy this. And do you see, this time I put it on this state, right? Great. And here I don't have a state just like answer it. No. I just have it. I will have it all right here. Okay. Okay. That's it. Okay. So what activities we have, for example, on this type of bots? We have close conversation, contact form, manage process data, send message and wait reply, show, hide, typing. This is, for example, if you want to show that you are typing on the chat. We're going to review this, okay? The same transfer activity, the code activities, code block, declare variables, logger, and the middleware, okay? So here, for example, I can send a message, okay? This is an attach, this is an image, this is a list, okay? This is something like this. Image, attach, and just text. I don't see the text here. Let's see. Yeah, I'm going to, yeah, text message, it doesn't show here. Okay, I'm going to report this. Okay. But this is only to send a message, okay? What's the difference between that and send message and wait reply? Well, we already talked about this. I am here waiting for something. For example, give me the reason that you are reaching out to us, okay? Here I don't have nothing, okay? Okay, Let me save this for now, okay? And let me assign this bot. I think we have, yes, our sales chat, of course. And this works from 9 to 9, okay? So please remember, if you want to set up an after hours flow, you can do so here. I can here, for example, set on schedule, I will be using this, and out of schedule, I'll be doing this. But remember to have available the out of schedule feature. We can review that in our test, okay? Okay, great. Let's go here, okay? I want you to look up to something, okay? So for example, I'm going to go to my contact center, okay? Attention level, no, 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 no. That's it. I'm going to leave it there because we are going to start doing some testing for you to know what happens each time, okay? Okay. Okay, let's start the chat. Training. Okay, chat with us. Okay, I'm going to click here, but nothing happened. Nothing different happened for what we had. Okay. Do you see this writing here? This is exactly what it's going to show if you click on the activity show hide typing. Okay. Okay, I want you to look at something here. Okay. What happened here? My interaction here starts with a variable. If you double click it, you will go right to that activity. Do you see that it's showing here's on your, okay, this is the activity block, right? This is the get interaction. This is my interaction. Remember I put here log interaction and log interaction ID. Okay, great. And that's it. I send that to the contact center, okay? For testing purposes, I just did this, but this doesn't change anything for the behavior of my campaign, right? Okay. So let's start doing some tests, okay? For example, the send message. I'm going to set up here a text, okay? Here is where I can add a button, okay? Or a quick reply. Let's see this. Let me remember what my audio was saying.
Thank you for calling inConcert. For administration and sales,
Yeah. Thank you for not calling because it's not a call. Thank you for contacting inConcert. Okay. Let's put something here. Let's see what we have available. This is my recent use. An animal, no. This is for you to see that we can also use emoticons, right? Mm, okay. This is send message. Okay, configuration, nothing. Show typing. This is for you to see the show typing. Let's go and put this. Save. Okay, let's see. Oh, I already have this. Wait. Bye. This is a test. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Do you see? Thank you for contacting inConcert. That's it. Okay. Let's close this. But you can also put here show typing for 3 seconds. Okay. And I want you to see what happens now. You know what I'm going to do? Because let's do something. I'm going to create a permission name full. And I'm going to change my training. I'm going to change my training to full. Just to have one agent connected, right? Yes, confirm. I'm going to do this. Training. Yeah, that's better. I can be an agent and also be touching the IVR. Great. Okay, so what I just did, do you see here? 1, 2, 3. Thank you for contacting inConcert. That's what show typing does. That's it. Okay. We will be due in a moment. You are queued on place 1. Okay, that's because I have here my agent on no ACT. No, I don't want to talk. So this is what show typing does. Okay, that's it. Okay, but maybe you want to send to add a button to add a quick reply. Okay. Quick reply is a button that I can put something right away, like a message or something. Okay. Okay, I right now want to put a send message and reply because I want to put here my menu. Okay. But I can do several things, right? Because, for example, mm, let me be creative. I'm doing a translation here. Yeah, for example, okay, let's do this. Okay, show typing. Yes. 1 second. No, 2 seconds. Okay. V product. Okay. Number of retries, 2. And I'm going to wait 5 minutes. Okay. Let's change this to 2. Okay. I immediately want you to see what happens with this variable, V product. Okay. So I just now put here, I want you to please tell us what product are you interested in. OCC, health, mass, quality. Okay. And I'm going to store this to a V product. I'm showing the typing and I have 2 retries. The timeout is in 300. Okay. Okay. Let's see. Okay. Let's see, for example, if I click here OCC. Okay. Okay. What happened? We will view in a moment. You are queued on place 1. Okay. But let's see what happened here, because I want you to see. Okay. Do you see here the exact same thing? Event message text. So here is what we called word strapping. Okay. I said to my client to type OCC, health, mass, or quality. And if I want to distribute with a transition for each one of them, okay, you will need to specify with OCC or help desk or quality, okay? And that's word strapping. Word strapping is I am looking for an exact word. And if my client wrote something else, I just need one condition to have if OCC, if held is quality and it's mass, and if it's not any of these, do something else. Ask him again. Or I can put here a validation. Okay. Understood? Obviously, word strapping is maybe it's something to have in mind, because what happens if if my user does not put that here? Okay, let's end this. But you see that I type OCC, but what happens if my user, because users don't follow instructions, right? What happens with that? Well, I can put something to avoid that and put maybe a button. Okay, what a button needs is okay, this button will send you to a web or a URL. It will take you to another state or it will take you to a phone. Okay, we usually send this to another state. Obviously, to use this, I need another state here, and that will also happen here. Okay, but this is a quick button. Buttons send you to another state, for example, but here I can put something like OCC, help desk, help desk, help desk. Okay. Okay, let's do okay. Save. Let's see here. Okay, do you see here? What happened is I don't do word strapping anymore. I'm putting a specific button because this will how do you say that word? Wait. This will decrease the error on the client, right? So for example, if I put here OCC, for example, I just click OCC. Do you see that this writes OCC? And what happens here? Do you see here this? Do you see the difference? Guys, just to make sure if you get what I'm explaining. You can do word strapping here, or you can add a quick reply. For example, specific the options that a customer can have. What's the difference between a quick reply and a button? That a button takes you to another state. Okay. Right? Guys, we are good?
I have a question here, Laura, about the quick replies button. It is only buttons, so we cannot make it something like a carousel or a picture or something, right?
Yes, you have it here. I will go right there in a bit. You can have here image, and the list is a carousel.
Okay.
I just want first to know the difference between word strapping and maybe a button. A button, the difference between a quick reply and a button is that a quick reply, I'm replacing what the user can type and work with that variable later here. If you select a button, the button will ask you for another state. Okay, you can choose whatever you want. Okay. Questions? Well, okay, great. I have my chat still here. Okay. Guys, let's wrap up for today here. Okay. And I will prepare one flow for us to do tomorrow. Okay. I will be uploading the recording. Now my meeting room changed. I now have to download the recording and then I will upload it. Okay. Any questions before we close?
Thank
Laura,
Yes.
maybe you can stop the recording. I have another question, but it is not relevant to today's session.